Good afternoon. We're doing a repair video here for the Carrol family. Problem we're coming up with is our shingles are 36 inches and we cannot find these exact shingles to do the repairs. So today I brought one that we have, our shortest one that we had in our shop. I'm going to cut it to size. I'm going to go ahead and show you with the measuring tape here. And also I'll send some photos in with the file. As you can see, this shingle starts there and it ends here. I'll go ahead and take a tape measure out. If I put that in here, right to here, I go ahead and show you right there where we're at with that. It's at 36 and a half. And our shingle that we were doing the repair with, just a straight line there, is obviously way longer. I'm going to complete the repair. I'm going to cut this shingle to size to fit that, and then I will keep this shingle in case you guys would like an ITEL report, and we'll go from there. All right, I'm going to get this cut, and then I'm going to cut that in a whole nother video.